guys, Elijah the animatronic collector here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and setup of the Menards 2023 Sutures the Clown. Here we go. Alright, so let's get started with the unboxing. Now, this guy, I got him from Menards today, and he was actually in the top of the garden center, and they don't usually put out Halloween stuff till early August or late July. So I was very lucky to get this guy early. And as you can see here, I don't know if you guys can see it yet. Let me flip this up. Whoops. It has the traditional Menards pumpkin hollow logo on the top of the inside box. Let me get this done. These scissors are tiny, so I just use scissors. But as you can see there's it's backwards, but there's the traditional pumpkin hollow box. Now let's pull him out of this box. Place him right there. And wow! Now I don't know if you guys can see this. No, you cannot. Is a completely redone version of the Lowe's 2022 Sutures the Clown. Now this one actually looks like it may be outdoor use because the base is squared, but this is completely different. The clothes are the same, the shoes are the same. Actually no, the clothes may be a little different. The hair is different. I believe the neck ruff is different. He looks super cool and entirely different than the Lowe's model. Make sure you guys can still see the box. But anyways, let's get into the actual box. I'm super excited. I believe I'm the first person to do an unboxing on him. Oh wow, his head looks amazing. Side. Or I'm not going to walk around my platform. Wow, okay, he's packaged pretty well. This is exciting for sure. And yes, he does have a square base with stake holes. So I'm excited to see if this is for outdoor use. It has a square base with stake holes, with 4 stake holes in it. So this looks like it could be an outdoor prop. Set that to the side. We have some leg folds with some foam attached, likely for the arm. Some folds. Set that aside. Then we have just a very tiny piece of foam. So I'm not sure what that is for. Then we have the hands. Classic SVI mold, just way bigger. We have the other one right here. And actually, here's the stakes. These are way better than the traditional SVI stakes, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Then we have an arm here. Actually seems pretty small for a prop like this, but we will see. Then we have another arm right there. There's a piece of cardboard in it for whatever reason. We have the instructions. You know what we do with these. And then we have the head. Wow. He looks amazing. He has a little deformity on the chin right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm sure, but yes. His green hair looks amazing on him. I believe his makeup is different. And wow, guys, he looks amazing. Let's set this giant head aside. And then we have the clothing. Feels to be pretty nice quality. Set that over there. We have the quite big. Let's get this out here. There's a cardboard. That is nice right there. And it has a weatherproof adapter. Let's go. I am so happy about that because he can go outside. As you can see, the control box is completely sealed up. And it has the waterproof plugs and the switch. So that is amazing, guys. Way better than Stitches from Lowe's. And then we have the hip bracket and torso part. Not torso, but hip piece. And then we have the adapter, which is the standard SVI waterproof adapter, I think. Yep. See, I think it's a 5.9 volt. And yes, it is. Nice waterproof adapter right there with the plug on the end. And then we have some leg foam, it seems. And then we have the shoes. And they're still the standard SVI shoes. Flimsy. Hey, but that's alright. The rest of them is very good quality, but what do you expect from SVI nowadays, right? Alright, and I believe that is it in the box. And let's get started with the setup. Here we go.
When I watch you sleep at night, you make funny faces. It busts me up, and I have to keep my giggles in so you won't wake up. Yeah, I like to watch you. People always say they're looking for someone funny and spontaneous, but they always run away screaming when I tap on their windows at night. You keep me in stitches. People say I'm funny, but look at you. That face is something that anybody would laugh at.
Alright, so yeah guys, that was my unboxing setup and demo of the Menards 2023 Sutures Decline. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Here's my favorite rhyme. Violets are blue, your blood is red. The window is open, I'm under your bed.